What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that one of major funds is buying SOFI stock, and I will show you a new price target from Morgan Stanley. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that we should have a movement to the upside that will be the top of our fourth wave, and then we should have another leg to the downside that probably should break this range of support of roughly $6 mark. And as you can see, this asset acts exactly as I predicted. We hit some higher targets and we went lower and we broke this range of support. And for now we are still below this level, and definitely it is a very technical asset. So why my forecast was so accurate? As I've told you, we had a very good reaction. As you can see, we had 5-wave structure to the upside. We had a very good reaction from this top, and from this top we should have a shape of retracement as a simple zigzag, at least as a simple zigzag. And probably this was the A wave, this was the B wave, and we were forming the C wave. And for those of you who follow my channel for quite some time, you already know that C wave should have a shape of 5-wave structure. And at this point we had only only 3 waves completed, and we had to have one more leg to the upside to form the top of our fourth wave, and we had to have one more leg to the downside to complete the 5th wave and to complete the entire movement to the upside, to the downside, sorry, from this top and somewhere here to the bottom. So definitely it is very technical, and in my technical analysis in just several minutes I will show you what should we expect next. But for now let's continue with the fundamental news. So we have several news that might drive the price of SOFI lower. One of them is definitely the selling of SOFI's bank stake, and this might still be a negative catalyst for SOFI. And let me show you that right here on fintel.io, and I covered it in my previous video. On August 17th we have this filing, and as you can see, SoftBank sold about 28.64% of their shares, and for now their stake is a bit less than 5%. On top of this information, let me show you that Vanguard Group started to add to its position. As you can see, it added about 139.27% to its current position, and for now they own this very branch, Vanguard Small Cap Growth Index Fund Investor Shares. For now they own about $53.8 million in value in SOFI. Another, as you can see, another branch of Vanguard Group added 15.14%. Another one is right here, they added 22.34%. Another one is right here, 23.42%, and so on and so forth. This means some of major institutional investors are adding to their current position, and definitely it shows the long-term potential of SOFI. Let me show you right here this chart. As you can see, it is a institutional ownership of SOFI Technologies, and green bars represent the institutional ownership itself, and black line represents the price of SOFI. And as you can see, despite of lower price for SOFI stock, we don't have major sell-off among the institutional holders. This means a lot of investors are holding their current position, and definitely it is a very good long-term sign. So let me show you another news right here on investorplace.com. Just 2 days ago we have this article: why student loan forgiveness can take SOFI stock to the next level. And the major bullet points are following. SOFI Technologies might seem problematic as the government forgives a large amount of college student loan debt. However, an apparent end to the debt repayment moratorium should benefit SOFI Technologies. Investors should consider holding a few shares of SOFI stock as the balance of the news is mainly positive. And definitely it is quite a positive statement, quite positive article, and I've told you multiple times that even Anthony Noto told that the student loan moratorium forgiveness or any decision related to student loan moratorium should be a relief for SOFI, because they should have more clarity in their one of main activities, and that's why in the long-term perspective this news is also quite positive. And let me show you Anthony Noto's Twitter, and he retweeted on August 25th this tweet. Let me show it to you. SOFI CEO Anthony Noto joins to discuss President Biden's student loan debt forgiveness plan, calling it a definitive decision, giving those eligible the opportunity to refinance the remainder of their loans before rates rise further. And definitely SOFI for now has a very strong position on the market, and this definitive decision might improve the SOFI fundamental position. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? As you can see, we broke this range of support, and if I switch to hourly time frame, as you can see, we retested from the bottom, and we have only 2 weeks above this range, and we don't have any candles that was opened and closed above this level. This means for now we have a bounce, and probably we might see another leg on a smaller scale to the downside to complete the fifth wave, the bottom of the fifth wave, and this will complete the bottom of the C wave. So, and what should we expect next? In my opinion, we still have the possibility to hit lower targets, and if I connect, let me show it to you, we have two bottoms right here on July the 5th and right here on May the 10th. And if I connect these two bottoms as accurate as possible, we have another potential range that might be a range of support. And if we will go lower from this range, from the $6 mark, probably next retest will be right here, depending on this sloping line, and it might be at the range of about $5.6. And if the entire internal structure of the fifth wave will be completed, and it will be the 5 waves structure as well, definitely we might have next leg to the upside to hit higher targets. And what should you do if you want to catch the trade? For now, I don't suggest you to do any of to enter any of your long positions, because we don't have enough confirmation to make it happen. But if you want to invest in this asset and you've already done your own due diligence, definitely accumulate your position on every daily red candle. Especially if you take a look right here on the Morgan Stanley forecast that was made on August 25th. They boosted their price target from $7 to $7.5, and definitely it is not the highest increase in price target, but all in all, Morgan Stanley is bullish on SOFI. And this means we can rely on this asset as a long-term, in a long-term perspective. And that's why, if you want to invest in this asset and if your investment horizon is longer than 12 to 18 months, definitely you can accumulate on every daily red candle. So, I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.